We're going to start our pumpkin whoopie pies with 1 cup tightly packed of brown sugar. Then we're going to add half a cup of oil. And we're going to mix those together. After those are mixed, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree. We're going to add an egg. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to mix that well. Meanwhile, in another bowl, we're going to add a cup and a half of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix those together well. We're also going to add in our pumpkin pie spice. Then we're just going to add that to our pumpkin sugar oil mix. And that should be mixed pretty adequately. Well, the first pan out of the oven. Supposed to be springy when you touch them, and they are. Okay, as you can see, the cookies are out of the oven, and I've also cooled them to room temperature. And now all it's left to do is to take some of the cream filling that I made for the strawberry video and put a layer of filling in on the bottom of one of the cookies, and then put a second cookie, and there we have a completed pumpkin whoopie pie. It's as easy as that, and they're absolutely delicious. If you like pumpkin and if you like cream cheese, then you got to give these a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.